What's up, everyone? I wanted to hop on here today to address one issue, one question I get asked literally all the time, and that is, what's the best diet to be on when you want to heal and when you have a chronic illness? Those of you that are new, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe, like, and comment. I love hearing your comments below. And those of you that have been with me, give it up. Thank you so much for the support. We drop videos here every week to support you all, especially those of you on the chronic illness journey. We want you to get your life back so you can be your best self, healthy and happy. So this is one of the most divisive, polarizing subjects that could possibly be out there. I mean, you just go online for just 5 minutes and you see just how vicious and intense, and people are willing to go to war over what food you're putting in your mouth. It's craziness to me, but that's the world we live in right now. And what I would say to all those folks and to you right now is one size does not fit all here. Each and every one of you, your dietary needs is really dependent on what your body is. So in general, yes, in the United States, we need to have more of a detoxifying diet, more plant-based, fruit-based, less meats, less protein, just to clean the system out. But overall, we don't want to pigeonhole any type as the best. The best is what works for you. And that could be, I can just remember on my healing journey, there's many times where I needed just to be on fruits and vegetables, and there's many times where I've needed to be on soups and stews with meats, with bone broths that are healing my gut. So it really depends who you are. Are you a deficient person? Are you a person that's more excess and stagnant? These are underlying patterns in our body that will determine how well those nutrients will be absorbed and assimilated into the system, and how well our body detoxes all these toxins and things that we are trying to rid the system of. By and large, it is helpful at some point to do some type of cleansing, detoxifying work if you are on the healing journey. But it really, again, depends. And that's something I'm going to encourage you to seek out a practitioner, Chinese medicine, Ayurvedic, where you can look and see where you lie in that realm of deficiency to excess, and how you can be supported best with what foods, raw foods, cooked foods, etc. But if you don't have access to those, what I'm going to encourage you, which I encourage everyone, is I want you to listen deep to what your body is telling you. Your body is constantly giving you information every day, whether it's when you go to the bathroom, what stools look like when they're healthy and when they're not. Goodness, I mean, I can remember like when I was very sick, goodness, I was so constipated. And it took me a while to understand, like, well, I need to open up the channels of detoxification so I can poop more, right? So if you are someone that's constipated, look at that. The other thing is what you feel like after you eat food. How are you feeling after you digest food? Do you get bloated? Do you feel tired? Do you want to lie down on the couch? Or do you get upset, symptoms that get flared up? What do you feel like the next day when you wake up after last evening's meal? How does your joints and mobility get affected? How is your thinking, cognition? These are all telltale signs of the food you are digesting and the need to be even more paying attention to what works best for you. And you can hire someone like me that can help you walk through that process, or I'm encouraging even better, because this is a relationship you have with yourself, which is listening deep, feeling, getting that instinctual knowing of what is right for your body at this moment, right? Because being a vegan might be the right thing at this moment, but 2 years from now, it may not be the right thing. And I can flip that the other way, right? Eating meat might be great now, but it may not be in a couple years. What I'm trying to tell you here is there isn't one best overarching that's going to help everyone. You have to listen deeply to you and know what works best for you. Thank you all for tuning in. Have a great rest of your day. And always, please subscribe, like, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Thank you all so much.